Hello everyone, we are in the sixth day of our 365 days aptitude challenge. Today is a Sunday. Most of you must be relaxing and you deserve to take some rest. But then you see that even during your holidays, okay, you make the day productive with some learning. Okay. In the morning, every day in the morning, even on the holidays, if you can learn for 1 or 2 hours, that means you have already made your day productive. After that, if you are enjoying for the whole day, relaxing for the whole day, you can be very happy. Okay, you feel very happy about it. Okay, so just make the day productive. Okay, everything else you would understand what to do and you will be happy about it. Okay, so that is a key, guys. Don't waste your time unnecessarily, make it productive. Okay, so we'll start with coding decoding. This is a first part of coding decoding. It will take few parts to what you say explain you how this works. Okay, but I'll see that you guys are understanding it properly. All right, so let's start with it. Okay, now this is our first example where it is given that apple is coded as some word and how must mango be coded in that case. Now, what I have to do is here I need to consider that a is 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3, so on till z is equal to 26. Okay, so to crack this pattern, right, basically, so what I'll say, if in that case a will be equal to 1, p will be equal to 16, this p is equal to 16, l is equal to 12, and this e is equal to 5. Okay, what about this one? This will be equal to 4, this is 13, this is 19, this is 9, and this is 8. So can I say, if when I compare these two, this is plus 3, this is minus 3, this is plus 3, this is minus 3, and this is plus 3. Correct? So what is the pattern here? Pattern is plus 3, minus 3, plus 3, minus 3, and plus 3. Now, you can directly do this question. Okay, you can directly do this question because it is easy. Okay, the pattern is somewhere easy. Okay, here you can say this is a and this is b, so definitely it is plus 3. Okay, you can say that it is plus 3. Okay, but then when you try doing this as plus 3, okay, you will be stuck because p plus 3 is s. Okay, but here the pattern is minus 3. Now it will take some time for you to understand, okay, it is not just a, it could be minus also, right? So that's where it will take time. So what you can do is, if you can convert it into respective numbers, okay, as fast as possible, if you can convert it into respective numbers, then I can say your question will become easy. Okay, so that is a key in this kind of questions, that converting the letters into respective numbers. Okay, now what I will do here, now here I will do it as mango is 13, this is 1, this is 14, this is 7, and this is 15. Okay, what I want is the plus 3 minus 3 pattern. So plus 3 is 16. Okay, now 1 minus 3, a minus 3 is, again it will go back to z, okay, y and x, right? So this will be 24, okay, which is x basically. Now plus 3 is 17, minus 3 is 4, and plus 3 is 18. Okay, so p, x, q, d, and r. So this is my answer according to the pattern. Okay, I hope everybody of you understood this. Now here only one thing is, you need to know how to convert these, what you say, letters into numbers. Okay, that is what you need to understand. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see how we do it. Okay, so there are quite a few techniques, okay, on how to do it. One is you remember it. Okay, one is you remember it. uh, but there should be a way to remember it also, right? Okay, there must be a way. So let's discuss what it is. See, there is no logic to it that you should remember it this way. Okay, when you are remembering things, you are making up for what you say, some of the things, so that you are able to remember it easily. Okay, so that is what happens, right? So what we will do is, can I say that A, B, C, D, and E? This is easy for you. Everybody can remember this one. Okay. Till F also you can remember. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Till here everybody can remember. All right. The last one, Y and Z. Okay. Y and Z. That also you can remember, which is 25 and 26. This also you can remember. So these two things are not necessary. Okay, ये दोनों चीजें तो आप याद कर सकते हो, मतलब already याद रहता है. Okay. Now, apart from that, there are two letters in English which has a tail. Okay, one of them is G and one of them is Q. Okay, one of them is G and one of them is Q. G is 7 and Q is 17. G is 7 and Q is 17. Okay. Now there are three letters in English which I have to modify so that it looks like a number. Okay. Number one is H. Okay. R and S. H when I close it, it becomes 8. H when I close it, it becomes 8. R when I close it, it becomes 8 and this is 18. Okay. S means semi. Okay. Here I will not close it completely. It is semi-closure. Okay. This is 9, which is 19. Okay. So this is S. Okay. So that you don't get confused. This is R. This is H. Okay. Q and G, because we are modifying that. Okay, it may not look like it, right? So I'm just writing it. So I will make sure after 5 minutes you are able to do it perfectly. Okay, you will remember all this. Okay, fine. So HRS. Okay, then I looks like 9 only. Okay, I looks like 9 only. Okay, then let's say you have a friend, name is Jyoti. Okay, this is your friend, name is Jyoti. Now J is 10, O is 15, T is 20, and Y is 25. Okay, J is 10, O is 15, T is 20, and Y is 25. Now here, why am I making this particular one is because uh, to remember O, it is actually difficult. I did not get anything else. Okay, I did not get any other logic to remember O. That's why this is made, which are multiples of 5. Okay, but otherwise J I can remember because when we play cards, okay, when we are playing that those playing cards, उसमें J एक आता है Jack. Whenever that Jack is remaining, okay, the value considered for it is 10. Okay, the value considered for it is 10. So I can say that J value is 10. Okay. Now we all watch cricket and earlier Kings 11 Punjab. Okay, K was Kings 11 Punjab, right? पंजाब का टीम का नाम पहले किंग्स 11 पंजाब था, अभी शायद थोड़ा चेंज हुआ है, लिटिल मॉडिफिकेशन. सो आई कैन से इट इज K is 11 Kings 11 पंजाब, राइट? ठीक है. L is let's say L मतलब what you say, I will elaborate. It is love and love का एक नंबर रहता है. Okay, 143, correct? 1 into 4 into 3. 1 into 4 into 3 is 12. Okay, this is just to remember, guys. Okay, this is just to remember, guys. There are two letters in English. What you say, which looks like 3. One of them is M and one of them is W. Okay, one of them is M and one of them is W. These two look like 3. This M is 13 and W is 20. M is 13 and W is 23. Okay, next. When is what you say Children's Day? Children's Day is November 14. So N is 14. Okay, N is 14. Now O I have already discussed. O is equal to 15. Okay, उसके लिए ये बनाया था basically. Now P looks like inverted 6. P looks like inverted 6. It is 16. Okay, P looks like inverted 6. It is 16. Q we have already discussed. It is 17. R we have already discussed. It is 18. S we have already discussed. It is 19. Okay. The matches, the IPL matches are T20 matches, right? T is 20. Okay, T is 20. Now, U is unique. Unique का मतलब होता है 1, 21. Okay. V has got 2 lines. Okay, this is 22. Okay, W we have already discussed. Okay, W is 23. Okay, W is 23. X has got 2 lines, right? X के 2 line है. and 4 points. Okay, it has got 2 lines and 4 points. It is 24. Okay, y and z we have already discussed. Y is 25. Even in this case, ऐसे भी याद रख सकते हैं, y is 25 and z is equal to 26. Okay, so let's see it once again. Okay, so A B C D E F. F के लिए what you say, F is what you say, F means fix, rhyming is 6. Okay, ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं. See, this is just a way to remember. Okay, इसका कोई भी logic नहीं है, just a way to remember. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 A B C D E F you can remember. Then G looks like, G has a tail, it is 7. Okay, H you close it, it becomes 8. I looks like 9. J, the value in cards is 10. K is King's 11. Love means 1 4 3. 1 into 4 into 3 is 12. M looks like M is 3. Okay, M looks like 3 and it is 13. W also looks like 3. It is 23. Okay. Then N. Okay, N is November 14. O is 15. Okay, P is inverted 6, which is 16. Q has a tail 7, which is 17. R you close, it becomes 8, it is 18. S you semi close it, it becomes 9, it is 19. T is T20. U is unique, which is 1, 21. V has 2 lines, which is 22. W we have already discussed, it looks like 323. X has got 2 lines and 4 points, it is 24. Okay. Y is 25 and Z is 26. Okay, I hope you all understood what they say, this one, or remember what all this. So let's see. Okay, let's see if you guys remember. So I will call out some of the letters. Okay, you just try to tell what are those numbers, respective numbers. Okay, what is R? What is R? R is 18. R looks like 8. It is 18. Okay, what is M? M is 3. M looks like 3. It is 30. Okay. What is P? What is P? P is inverted 6. It is 16. Okay. P is 16. What is Q? Q has a tail 7. It is 17. What is N? N is November 14. What is T? T is T20. Okay. What is H? H you close it, it becomes 8. Okay. And what is K? K is King's 11 Punjab. Correct. So all these things, all right. So this is important. First thing you should learn this, then only we can go for the question. Okay. So in the next part we will deal with some of the questions, some patterns. Okay, basically कोडिंग डिकोड में थोड़ा बहुत डिफिकल्ट पैटर्न्स भी आते हैं, वो डिफिकल्ट पैटर्न्स भी हम लोग एक बार डिकोड करेंगे. Okay. So till then you take one question and give the answers in the comment section, please. Okay, just find out the pattern. First thing you should do is write the respective numbers for these letters and then find the pattern. Okay, now do one thing, you take one newspaper or anything and write respective numbers for the letters. Do this exercise for 5 or 10 minutes. After that you will remember it for lifetime. Okay, if you don't do it, you will forget it again. So take a newspaper or any other paper, write the respective numbers for the letters. Okay, and you will remember it for long time. Okay, so I hope you guys understood this session. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.